Okay, now we've got a problem down at gutter with stormwater. So we're going upstream, trying to locate the situation, assess, and examine what's the problem. Now, we can tell it's holding a lot of water, which it doesn't have the correct percentage for. There is signs of clunch. We keep proceeding. Okay, so now we've hit terracotta, so this just confirms it's diversion to PVC, and in that there's some kind of need to be rectified. We can rectify it by locating it. The joints are very weak at this stage. I'm currently going upstream again. I think it's fine. Then ahead I can see tree roots. Now this is the major cause for us to proceed our job, and I am pushing my CCTV into this, but this is our problem. I'm currently pulling back and forwards, and we're currently 5 meters in. Okay, it is holding water for a long time, and there we go. We'll now locate it and rectify it from the street from 1.6 meters upstream.